Hey there, so if you found this video, it's probably because you're curious about switching over to a new Google Pixel. Well, good news, switching is super quick and easy. In fact, it's so simple that while your data and pics and stuff automatically transfer over, we can teach you something less simple, like Korean slang.
남친 있어요?
Let's start with the Pixel. Just insert your SIM, turn the Pixel on, and follow a few simple steps. Boop, boop. Now connect this cable to your old phone, and the Pixel will take it from here. Don't worry about losing anything. As long as you know how to plug in a cord, you can't mess this up. Your photos, contacts, settings, whatever, will magically come right over. Now that the easy part is over, let's get to something a little more complicated.
Today I'll be teaching you guys some Hanguk Seoho, and I hope you guys are excited to hear a few of these phrases. 첫 번째 is 남친 and 여친, and that means girlfriend or boyfriend for short. 남친 is short for 남자친구, and 여친 is short for 여자친구. That is pretty much it, simple as that. It's just the shorter version. So 남친 and 여친, boyfriend, girlfriend. 두 번째 is 남사친, and that means guy friend. It's just a guy who is just a friend. So it's just like, that's my 남사친. It's not anything more than that. So 남 is short for 남자, which means guy, man. 사 is short for 사람, meaning person, and 친 is short for 친구, meaning friend. Put them all together, and what do you get? Person friend or male friend, 남사친.
I wonder how you say in Korean your super duper easy transfer is complete. Cause it is. Couple more steps and it's all yours. Add a pin. Not that one. A fingerprint. And you're done. Well, almost. Did you know there are 1 million words in the Korean dictionary? 축하합니다. That's Korean for congratulations, so you know. Now, not only do you have a brand new Pixel with your stuff transferred over, soon you'll be watching K-dramas without the subtitles. Maybe not. Till next time, enjoy your new Pixel.